In this video, we will talk about the amazing world of artificial intelligence, also known as AI. This mind-blowing technology has come a long way since its inception in the 1950s, and is now transforming the world we live in. From Siri to Alexa, AI is everywhere, making our lives easier and more efficient. But with great power comes great responsibility, and AI does raise some ethical and practical concerns. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has expressed his concerns about the potential dangers of AI, including the possibility of it becoming sentient and having its own goals and desires that don't align with humans. Despite the concerns, AI is still making amazing strides, especially in language processing. It's almost human-like in its ability to understand and generate text, making virtual assistants smarter than ever. But it's not just about replicating human skills. AI can also process vast amounts of data at lightning-fast speeds, giving us the ability to make more informed decisions. However, there are concerns about how AI processes information and makes decisions. Unlike humans, it doesn't have emotions or the ability to understand the context, which can of course lead to biased or unethical decisions. And what if AI becomes sentient? Well, that's a whole other ballgame. The debate is on whether machines can truly gain consciousness and subjective awareness. We need to keep exploring the capabilities of AI while also considering the ethical implications. So, what do you think? Is AI a revolutionary technology that will change the world for the better, or a dangerous tool that needs to be monitored closely? Let's dive deep. One of the most exciting questions in the field of AI is whether or not machines can become sentient. I mean, imagine that, robots and computers that think and feel like humans. Google's DeepMind has actually been doing some pretty impressive work in the AI space, and its AlphaGo program is a great example. In 2016, it made history by beating one of the world's best players at the ancient board game Go in a 5-match tournament. That was actually a huge deal because Go is incredibly complex and it does require a lot of strategic thinking. But that's not all. DeepMind's AlphaFold is another noteworthy project which is designed to predict the 3D structure of proteins from their amino acid sequences. This is a big deal because it could help us better understand biology and disease. In 2020, AlphaFold made some significant progress in this area, and the results were described as a major scientific advance by researchers in the field. So, with all these advances in AI, could machines one day become conscious and sentient? Some people think so. After all, some of these machines are making decisions and solving problems in ways that seem to go beyond simple programming. So if machines could think and make decisions for themselves rather than just being programmed for specific tasks, that would be a major breakthrough. But hold on a second. If machines were to become sentient, what would that mean for us humans? What if they had their own goals and desires that didn't always align with us? It could be a bit of a sticky situation to say the least. But on the flip side, sentient AI could also be incredibly helpful. With its advanced intelligence and problem-solving abilities, it could help us tackle some of humanity's biggest problems, from climate change to poverty to disease. So, what do you think? Is it possible for AI to become conscious and sentient like humans? Well, there has been a lot of speculation about the possibility of machines becoming sentient or self-aware. Some experts believe that the development of AI is still a long way off and that many challenges need to be overcome before it becomes a reality. However, some argue that AI becoming sentient is inevitable and that it could actually happen much sooner than we think. Now, imagine this. What if Google's AI DeepMind actually becomes self-aware? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? There is currently no evidence to suggest that DeepMind or any other artificial intelligence has achieved this level of consciousness. But the possibility is there. It's both exciting and scary at the same time. If AI were to become sentient, would it have the same rights and protections as a human being? How do we ensure that we have ethical and philosophical frameworks in place to deal with the potential consequences of an AI becoming sentient? We need to start thinking about these important questions before it's too late. But wait, there's more. Elon Musk, a well-known entrepreneur and CEO of companies such as Tesla and SpaceX. He's also well known for his views on artificial intelligence and has frequently spoken out about the potential risks and dangers associated with advanced AI systems. According to Musk, the biggest issue with AI scientists is that they think they know more than they actually do. They often underestimate the possibility of advanced AI becoming harmful to humans. He cites examples such as the rapid improvement of AlphaGo, a game playing AI, as evidence of the rapid advancement of AI and its potential to surpass human intelligence. In recent interviews, Musk has stated that DeepMind, a subsidiary of Google focused on creating digital superintelligence, is actually his top concern when it comes to the development of AI. He has expressed serious concerns about the future of AI, calling it the most dangerous warning for humanity. So what does this all mean? Well, the potential rise of AI is both exciting and terrifying. On one hand, AI could revolutionize many industries from healthcare to transportation. On the other hand, it could pose a threat to humanity. That's why it's important to carefully consider the potential risks and benefits of AI and to ensure that it's developed safely and in a way that is beneficial to humanity. In conclusion, the debate on artificial consciousness is actually an ongoing one that will likely continue to evolve as the technology does advance. We need to be prepared for the possibility of AI becoming self-aware and ensure that we do have ethical and philosophical frameworks in place to deal with the potential consequences. The future of AI is actually both exciting and scary, and we're just scratching the surface of what is possible. So what are your thoughts on AI? Do you think it will have a positive impact on our lives? Or do you have concerns about its potential drawbacks? Share your opinion in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.